Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a minute since we did a video. I've just been, I guess, take a little hiatus, but I really haven't had anything to do other than I did finish the excursion. I did some video of it. I haven't got it all put together yet because it was over such a long time span. I gotta go back like 2 or 3 months and put that video together. But while putting the excursion back together, I screwed up. I was carrying one of the seats out that I had the seats in the house, protecting them from weather and kids, and I just didn't want to get messed up because they were so nice. And I was carrying the excursion seats through, and I bumped the car with the seat track. So I gotta fix that part of the wrap. I had the cover on it, but I guess it's just the sharp point on that track just dug in. So I got the wrap guys coming today. I've got to get the sail panel pulled off and start pulling this wrap off so he can get it knocked out today. He's just doing me a favor. He's on his way through and going to do it. So I got to get to it. We got some heat on in here, and let's get this thing apart. Alright guys, I did screw up worse than I thought. I don't know if you can see it on camera or not, but I did put a dent in it. Can't believe I did that. But I am going to sand this a little bit, or you'll see it through the wrap before he gets here. If I had more time, I'd probably put a little filler in it, but he's coming today and I don't have time. There's a couple other dents. I might need to call a paintless dent guy and see what he can do about it, because I got a couple other ones that need to come out that I'd like to get out as well. But I didn't plan on getting dirty, but I got to sand a little bit. I got it mostly out. I got down to some metal, so I'm going to shoot a little bit of primer on there, and hopefully it cures pretty quick. All right, guys. I don't know if I didn't get any video of Matt actually putting it on, but it's all back together.
Ta-da!
Does it look better, Monica?
Yes, it does.
Can you tell where it was?
Surprisingly, no.
But I did a pretty good job. There is still a little bit of a dent there, but you can't see. It was right here. See the dent?
Oh, I do. Yeah. It's not terrible.
It's not bad. But I sanded out the scratch, and then I got to the metal, so I ended up priming it, and then I resanded a little bit. But Essie's excited too. So it's back together. I just gotta finish. I gotta put the sail panel back on, which it was missing a nut already. It needed a new nut because it was vibrating, so it needed to come off anyway. So I'll get that put back together, and thanks for watching. Until next time, I'm out of here.